Yo, what's up everyone? Recently I started making my own almond milk, and every time I tell someone that, they're like, almond milk? How do you make your own almond milk? Like, don't you need like a factory? Like, making your own almond milk organic is very easy. I want to teach you guys how to do it so you guys can eat healthy just like I am. I've been making my own almond milk for already like 2 months. So, you know, make your own almond milk, eat healthy. This is how you do it. It's very easy. So you want to make sure you get raw almonds and not salted, not roasted, nothing else, just raw organic almonds. Put them in water for 8 to 48 hours. I left these for 24 hours because they absorb the water and get bigger. Here, I'll show you the comparison. So that's the difference. It probably doubled in size. This is 24 hours. The longer you leave it in there, the creamier the almond milk will be. It'll be more like 2% milk and like whole milk rather than it being like 1%. I'm gonna remove the water and put it inside a blender. For every cup of almonds, it's gonna be the equivalent of 4 cups of water. Eesh. Damn. Lucy. This is the finishing result of the almond milk. This is how it's gonna look. It's really easy. It's not that hard to be healthy, you know? This is the milk. Sheesh. Look at that. It's beautiful. I made this almond milk. This is what comes out of it. This is all the almonds that you take out with a cheesecloth. You want to use that to take all this off and make the milk be like completely smooth. And you can use this to make cake. You don't have to throw it away. You don't have to be wasteful. Keep this, make cake out of it, make cookies, make whatever you want. If you notice, I use dates. It's organic dual dates. There are 2 types that I saw at the store. I saw this one and a smaller version of it. I use this instead of sugar because I wanted to keep my almond milk organic and vegan. I didn't want it touching sugar or nothing. I wanted to keep it completely healthy. If you don't know, sugar is very bad for you. Let's try it out. I'm gonna take a shot. Sheesh. See, it looks good. Alright, let's try it out. So like I said, I've been making almond milk for about 2 months. It's really good. It lasts anywhere from 7 to 10 days if you keep it in the fridge. Don't keep it outside, it'll spoil. You can tell when it's spoiled and when it's not. Cheers. It's the best. I just wanted to make this video to show you guys that it's really easy. Like, a lot of people think it's hard to make almond milk and be healthy, but it's not. As you saw, it's easy. You just put almonds, water, you blend and you make it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe if you're new. Comment anything you want down below. As always, remember, be good people.
No video, no photo.
Oh, why not?
We don't allow photo and all.
It's for TV.
No, we don't do that.
Famous.
No, I cannot do that.
Okay.